Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing fine. Hope you are getting along. Hope the quiz is entering. Hope it's sinking. Oh my god, don't worry, guys. You know what's the key? Consistency. That's just the key to everything you're doing. Consistency. Keep on doing it. You're going to make it at the end. Okay. All right. In today's video, we are still going to be talking about Divieto. And of course, I'll be covering two lessons in this video. I'll be covering Divieto passo carabile. I will also be covering Divieto sign for sosta that is allowed for some category of vehicle, category of people. I'll be covering these two in this video. All right, if you're just coming across my channel, this is Only Best Beauty Patente B, and in this channel, we help you translate the Italian driving license to English for your better understanding. All right, and please do not forget to subscribe. Of course, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, all right, without wasting much time, guys, let's get started. Okay, number one is passo carabili. As you're seeing on the screen, passo carabili. We've seen this sign, majority of us have seen this sign in our city. Okay, now we're going to know much about this sign. Let me read, then I'll explain better. È un segnale di prescrizione divieto. Now, this is a divieto sign. Remember that segnale di divieto is also segnale di prescrizione. They might not ask you in your quiz or in the test, is this segnale di divieto? They might ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? So it is verbo. Vieta la sosta nel luogo dove è posto indica lo sbocco di un passo carabile, ossia la zona per l'accesso dei veicoli alla proprietà letterale. Now, this sign forbids you to park at the exact point you see the sign. You cannot park. Okay? Now, it allows you to get an access into a private property that is on the side of the road. Now, it said vale 24 su 24 ore. It values for 24 hours. Consente la fermata perché i veicoli non si addentrano. Now, it allows you to stop. Remember that it doesn't allow you to park, but it allows you to stop. So long as your vehicle is not going to cause any form of hindrance. Per essere valido, deve contenere indicazioni gli enti che ha concesso autorizzazione. Il numero è l'anno del rilascio. Now, for this sign to be valid, it must have an authorization number on it. Okay, you must see an authorization number on it, including the year that it was being released. Okay, let's see. I don't know how clear this picture is, but underneath here, underneath this word passo carabile here, you see a numero. Okay, the number and of course the year where the release for the person. So you're going to see it there. That's what even here, even on this picture, you can see the number beneath it. Now, guys, attention. In the absence of this number, you can park. It does not valid. Okay? Because I've seen, not just reading, I've seen it where it's been placed, but there is no authorization number on it. Okay. And some people parked there. I was like, I was just laughing. I said, this person is not serious. Why won't you go and get the original one and put, and at least get to everybody know what the sign is. Okay, so when people get to see it, they know they don't need to park. Instead, he placed the invalid one there. People were parking because, of course, everybody knows without this authorization number, it is not valid. I don't know what the miracle he expects to happen. I made him place the sign there, but it wasn't acknowledged because everybody knows what this particular sign means. Do you understand? So in the absence of this number, it does not valid. Può essere posto sia nella strada urbana che in quella urbana. Now you can see the sign inside of the city, outside of the city, valid for 24 hours. Okay, this is the picture. Most times you find it in the garage. Most times you find it in private properties. You also find it in company. You also find it in the courtyard. Okay, you've been placed. Guys, in this, when you see this sign, even the owner of this particular place. For example, this house is being placed here. The owner of this place cannot park at the front. He too is going to respect the sign. Reason being why he placed this sign, I don't want people to park. Maybe because he parks his car inside of the garage, he parks his car inside of the compound. In case he wants to drive out, of course, there will be no hindrances stopping him from coming out of his compound. Do you understand? Even he himself is going to obey the sign, not parking outside where this sign is being placed. Yeah, that's just it. Okay, let's see the second lesson that I was going to cover in this video. Sosta, consentita a particolari, categorie. Un segnale di prescrizione, divieto. Remember that divieto sign is always segnale di prescrizione. They might not call it divieto for you in your test. You might see, is this segnale di prescrizione? It is vero. Representa un'eccezione al divieto di sosta. Now, this represents an exception to this divieto di sosta. An exception is here. You know, this is divieto di sosta, meaning you cannot park, but there's an exception. So you're going to see that. Let me read on. Consente la sosta è il parcheggio ad un particolare categoria di veicoli. In questo caso, ai veicoli al servizio di persone invalide muniti apposite contrassegno. Now, è la vieta a tutti gli altri veicoli. Okay. Now, this sign, there's an exception. You see signal di divieto, you can't park. And you also see a parking sign, that means it is referred to somebody. It's referred to a particular category of vehicles, which is, in this case, the invalid, which is the disabled, okay? They are allowed to park on seeing this sign. But you, other vehicles, motorcycle, other vehicles at all are not allowed to park, except that of disabled. That of persone invalide, solo, only them. Any other people aside of this, any other category aside of this one is not allowed to park. Okay, guys, I hope you understand. If you're having any difficulty at all, any form of difficulty, please leave it in the comment section. I will visit it and I will expatiate more. Okay, most importantly is that you get to understand what I'm teaching. That's what will give me joy. Not just to listen, but at least understand. Understanding is the key. Consistency, like I said again earlier, is the key. Okay? All right. I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Very, very important. And of course, share this video, guys. It's going to go a long way for me. Share to your loved ones, your friends, your family. Share to your enemy. Share to your enemy. Let them come and learn patente. All right. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Ciao.